BULL stock analysis price predictions news. In this quick and short 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. I'm the only guy in the space who's done 47,000 videos like this over 5 years and documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's making me money and what's not. First thing on the list that I must say with Webull is that, I mean, as I know it's pumping up very nicely and that was great, but then it shifted and kept melting down, right? And all I can say on that end is that I'm looking to buy more. I'm genuinely open-minded for buys and all that stuff, but with where we currently are, it's just a very big bearish market, and unless there is a full candle close about 1503, not looking to take anything bullish. Matter of fact, it's about to be bearish, right? So that's ultimately where we're sitting at. And if you want to stay tuned, want to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I will be seeing you in the next one.